Alright, today we have the Chemical Guys pet hair brush removal tool. So we're going to try it out on my Jeep. And we're going to see how this does. And I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to be vacuuming as I do this, but I just want to see dry, no vacuuming, how it does. There you go. This tool is pretty good. I kind of like it. Let's try that right there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure vacuuming would help more with it. But just by itself as a standalone to brush off, even if it's just like a quick brush off like that, it works really well. Alright, I just used the brush and vacuumed it at the same time. And I have to say, it's pretty much flawless. There's still some hairs that are left over, but I probably didn't, brush it as well as I should have, or take my time with it. This was just more for tutorial reasons. But since I still got you guys on here, see, it comes right up. There you have it.